What is up, everybody? This is Baxter over at carwashcountry.com. Today, I wanted to cover 3 basic add-on services that you can include in your detailing services menu that I think a lot of people just don't bother with, that can really help you make a little bit extra per customer. I think one of the main challenges in detailing is that it is a very competitive industry, and a lot of auto detailers don't bother with some of these extra services. So today I thought it would be good just to give you a couple of ideas. So I'll start with number 1, and that is carpet cleaning. A lot of people don't deal with carpets because they're messy, and you really need the right equipment to clean carpets properly. If you're a detailer, that's usually a carpet extractor, which is a device that heats up water. It basically acts as a steamer and a vacuum all in one device. I actually have a article I wrote recently on carpet extractors and really what to look for, so I'll include that in the description below. But this is something that you can charge, upwards of $100 depending on the size of the vehicle. And it's a great add-on service if they have really filthy carpets. You can maybe call them up and ask them if they would like to add on, carpet cleaning for an extra $100. So that's the first one. The second service you might want to think about including is engine bay cleaning. If you pop the hood on just about any car, it's pretty filthy under there. Most people, while they do maybe change their air filters out from time to time, there's a lot of dirt, a lot of pollen, at least in my area, under the hood. And really this doesn't take that long to clean. A lot of people are a little hesitant to use water under the hood, but really all you need is a basic vinyl or plastic cleaner. I think Meguiar's makes one of these I really like. So you can just pick that up, spray it down. You can even use steam. Some guys will use steam on these. You just really have to know what you're doing. Make sure you don't get anything wet that's not supposed to be wet. But that's another great add-on service. And then really the third thing I'll mention is trim restoration. If you're an auto detailer, you probably see a lot of faded out bumpers. You see a lot of plastic that's not really gray or black. It's more of a white color and it's dirty. You can start by cleaning this, and then obviously finish with a trim restore product. There's a bunch of these on the market, but this is just something pretty meticulous that takes a little bit of time, but you can charge, like I said, anywhere from $50 to $100 depending on the size of the vehicle. If you'd like a few more ideas for add-on services, check out the blog post I wrote below. I've got a few more that you might want to include that I thought would be helpful, just to make a little bit extra per customer. If you have any feedback, any comments, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Thanks.